Uh, so dear students, join again. So you can start. Here two lines. One is asking this is this angle here, angle XAB or BX, angle BAX is equal to 25 degree, and angle BCW is of 20 degree, right? Question number 2. Okay, now your question is here. These two lines are parallel to each other. Find the angle ABC, right? So next question we have. Here the question is, question number 2 says that we have the parallel lines ABCD. We have three lines. One we have a line AB, CD, and EF, right? Given here that AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. So here all these lines, they are parallel to each other, and we have given angle X, Y, and Z. This angle is angle X, right? This angle is Y, and this angle here, the third angle, that is Z. X, Y, and Z. So here we have given that Y ratio Z is 3:7. Given here, given Y ratio Z or is Y ratio Z, Y ratio Z is equal to 3:7. Find X. Okay. So you can set your answer, then I will give some more questions, right? The third question, let me give you third question here. Question number 3, right? Question number 3 here, we have a lines. One is P can start with question number 1, question number 2. Find the value of x. Right? Here we have a point P. This point is Q point here. This point is R. And this point is S. And this point is T here. This point is T here. Right? So what we have? This angle is given and this angle is given. We have given that PQ is parallel to ST. Given here PQ is parallel to ST. Right? PQ is parallel to ST and the one angle is 110 degree and the here angle PQR is 110 degree and angle RST, this angle is of 130 degree. Find angle R. Find angle QRS. So next question, let first complete these 2-3 questions. Then I will switch over to the next question. Right? Let me give you some questions from circle also. Anyone who has solved first question, you can give your responses. Clean the lens of the camera, okay? Just give me the feedback if it is okay or not, right? Push is saying about the vision. Now just check, is it clear or not? Still I can see properly. Okay, can't. Whether it is for you only or for others also, you can give the feedback. Let me adjust again. Dear students, just give me the feedback. Push. Okay, he's saying clean the lens with the cloth. Okay, if I can. But it is, I hope now it is okay. Just give me the feedback. Now it is okay. Okay, Deepak is saying, sir, it is okay now. Akshit is saying, sir, angle ABC is 45 degree. Puneet, 135. Puneet, first question 135. Third question 60 degree. Okay, some different answers are coming. First question, Puneet is writing Harrazad. Okay. Any other? Yes, very right. Puneet and Akshit, this angle will be 45 degree. How to go ahead? We can know that there is a one line, one and only one line which is parallel to this. Right? So if we draw a line parallel to these lines L from point B, there will be a unique line. So this angle will be this angle is 25, this angle will be 25 degree. Same, this angle is 20, so this angle will be 20. So our answer, that is, this angle will be of 45 degree. What is the logic here? Alternate this 25 and 25, 20, 20, they are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. Mr. Push, I hope board is clear to you. You can give your feedback that if your board is clear or not, right? So next question, question number 2. Let me erase. Question number 2, here 3 lines, they are parallel to each other. So I have some of the questions. Question number, I thought you were asking about obtuse angle. Okay, no problem. Question number 2, Akshit. Yes, anyone, you can send me your, what is the value of x? Here y ratio z is given 3:7. These 3 lines are parallel to each other and this line is the transversal. So here these angles will be in a relation. Okay. So here let the angle is y and z. The angle y and z, this angle will be y, vertically opposite angle, and we know angle y plus z, they are always 180 degree. Why? Please note down, these are consecutive angles or co-interior angles. Co-interior. Right? So here let the ratio is A, if or X, let 3A plus 7A is equal to 180. So we have 10A is equal to 180. So A is equal to 18 degree. Right? So what is X? So here to find X we can find Y. Y is equal to 3 into 8. So 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. Right? And Z is equal to 7 into 18. Right? So 7 into 18 is what? 7 5s are 56, 126. So here again X and Y are, X and Y both are your, X plus Y is also 180 degree. So what is X? 126 degree. I hope the question is clear now. So Akshit, when right, he has given 126. No, Puneet. Here, these 3 lines are parallel to each other, X and Y, they are called also allied angles, consecutive angles, or your what these angles are called? Co-interior angles, allied or consecutive angles, right? So this is about question number 2. Question number 3. Let me draw again a big diagram. Question number 3, quick. Question number 3 says that this is PQ, this point is P, and this point is Q here, and we have RS, ST, and this is R. Let you have to find this angle is X. We have given PQ given here. PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST, and these two angles are given. This angle is 130 degree, right? And this angle is 110 degree. Find angle QRS. right? I am waiting for your. Okay, Akshit is saying, sir, first I took three. No problem. Y ratio A. Puneet is asking about the ratio in the previous question. This was the previous question 1, 2, 3 here. This question was Y. So if this is Y, this is Y, right? But if it is not visible here, let me. These are the three lines, right? This angle is Y and this angle is Z. So here this angle will be vertically opposite angle, right? And Y ratio Z is 3 ratio 7. And we have Y plus Z is always 180 degree. So I am taking here 3A plus 7A is equal to 180 degree. That's why A is 18, right? So answer 3 is 60 degree. He is saying it is 60 degree. Let's check. And fourth question, I will present. Then question number 4 here. I have a one circle, right? One circle with center O, right? I have point A here, point B, and AB and C point here, and this point is D here, and here we have the center O. Two, three students you have done in circle the wrong. Here you have to find if this angle, one angle is ABD, and here this is right. So here we have given angle given here angle AOD. This angle here is given 67 degree. Angle AOD is given 67 degree, right? Find angle ABD and angle ACD, right? Find these two angles. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is one circle is there, right? In this circle we have the points A, B, C and D. Right? You have given one angle, that is your 65 degree, and this angle is given your 105 degree. Find the value of C and D. Find what is X and find what is Y. right? First question number 3, I am expecting the answers. Question number 3, question number 4, students are giving the answers from question number 3. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. We can, by construction, we can draw one line parallel to point R. I have given you a small hint. We have these two lines, PQ and ST are parallel to each other. If I am drawing a third line to R parallel to PQ, so this line will be parallel to ST also. So here this angle will be of 70 degree. These are co-interior angles, and this angle will be of 50 degree. And as a whole, this is a straight angle, 180 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 180 minus 20 degree is equal to 60 degree. So I think one student, I think Puneet or has given now some related one. So question number 3, x, this is 60 degree. So I hope question is clear. Switch over to fourth one, the fourth part, and let me check the time also. We have 10 minutes. Here, Puneet is very right. This ABD is half of, that is 33.5 degree. So this is, what about ACD? What about ACD? No need to, students, if you are doing some mistake, no problem. You will learn from your mistakes. No need to delete the options. If you are sending the answer on WhatsApp, no need to delete. Okay? I will not humiliate anyone or something, but it is the learning. We are also learning. Sometimes I am also taking some wrong statement here or wrong calculation. So don't erase your options if you are doing something. Getting everyone? It is a learning process. We should know, I should know also how you are thinking, how you are doing. Don't hesitate to give your answer. So here, what is angle ACD? My question is, what is angle ACD? Yes, Puneet said well that both angles are of same measure. What is the logic? The angles on the same segment from the same point A B, angles on the same segment are always equal. If this angle is 35 and a half, this angle must be 35 and a half. Any point, all these angles at point C, D, E, all angles are of same measure. Right? Angles on the same segments are always of same degree. Now, question number 5. What is the value of x and what is the value of y? Akshit is saying y is 75. Yes, very right. Y is 75 and x is 115. X is 115. So here both the answers are right because here all these 4 points A, B, C, D lies on the circle. A, B, C, D lies on the circle. Right? And quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And cyclic quadrilateral, we know A plus C is always 180 degree and B plus B is always 180 degree. Or in order to remember, the sum of opposite angle is always supplementary. Sum of opposite angle is always sum of opposite angles is always supplementary. Right? Now some students, they have a confusion regarding the supplementary and complementary angles. I have discussed with you. If you forgot what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles, apply the reasoning. In alphabet, C comes first, 90 comes first, S comes later, 180 comes later. Means two angles are said to be complementary when their sum is 90 degree, right? So two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. For example, if one is 40, one is 50, these two angles are complementary. 110 and 70, these are supplementary angles. So here in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral is always 180 degree, right? And now next question, very simple question. If we have one angle here, this is A point, this is B point here, this is, alright, this is B here, C, O, B point, right? If we have here one angle is 80 degree, right? If this angle is 80 degree, find the angle X, find angle X and angle Y, right? Find angle X and angle Y. What is angle X and what is angle Y? Question number 6. Puneet is writing. So angle is Y is 40 degree. And what about X? Puneet is saying Y is 40 degree. No problem. Let's check. And what about X? What about X? I have the next question for you. Solve it fast. Question number 7. One diagram is there. One line we have. That is AB is the line. And P is the point here. Right? This angle is 75. This is 40 degree. This is 95. And here, this point is T, Q, and this point is R S here, right? You have to find in this question. You have to find SQT. SQT. Let me take given RS is the line, RS and PQ, they intersect at point P. We have the triangles. Find the angle. Okay? Find the angles. So, yes, anyone? 65 degree. He's saying 65 degree. Puneet. But what is the value of? You are saying y is 40 degree. What about x? Y is 40. Okay. What about x? X is, your answer is wrong. Yes, 140. Don't do this silly mistake. Don't give your answer in haste, right? So here the value of x is, because we know x plus y is equal to 180. Their sum is supplementary. So here let's check this angle, and this angle are vertically opposite angle. So here this angle is 180 minus your 135, right? So which is 45 degree. So this angle is 45, so this must be 45. So here 45 plus 75 is equal to 120. So you are right. You are not right. This angle is 60 degree. Okay. I find the third, that is 45. Okay. Angle sum property. I am using here angle sum property of the triangles. Okay. So dear students, thank you very much. I will, in evening, I will call most of the students and I will discuss regarding your syllabus and revision part. Thank you for attending this class and providing the feedback. Okay. So we have to go for the topics which we have not revised. Tomorrow I will take sets. Prepare the chapter sets, right? If you have some doubts, you can send those questions in advance, okay? So that in tomorrow class, same time at 11, 10 to 12, third lesson, right? So with this, I am ending the class. Thank you very much.